I did something. Hello, today I wanted to show you my new creation, the new masterpiece I just done. I'm so proud. I think it's my best work ever. It's a pottery. I think I'm very skilled actually. And so I did like a kind of tutorial for you, and I hope you will like it. So be ready. Here the stuff I just did. So are you ready? Look at that. Look at it. It's a golden skull. Yeah, I did that. And I did record it. So yeah, I'm not gifted. I think some dark lords, I don't know, gifted me with skills from hell when it comes from pottery, art stuff. But hey, I don't care. I can be bothered. I just recorded what I did, and I hope you will like it. And I will show you my other pottery. Maybe I think they are way better actually. So, but anyway, I hope you will enjoy this content, regardless of the results. Enjoy! Bye! To do that skull, I used some modeling clay that dried in the air. Depending on the thickness of your piece of art, it can take few days. This one took like 2 days to dry. To use the modeling clay, you have to put some water in it, and it's very easy to use. Anyone can try modeling clay like that, and you just have to wait a bit and be patient. I bought some tools on Amazon. If I can find the link, I will put it on the bar below the video. And it was very helpful to dig holes and try to shape the skull. And I think that's all I have to say. It's a bit long depending on what you want to do, but as I was saying, it's easy to use. So if you are someone that has children or stuff, stuff like that, no, I meant if you have children, or if you want to try to do some pottery but you don't want to buy expensive things, I think modeling clay is the good thing for you. And I did a lot. I did some pottery stuff this year. I began last year actually, because I was following YouTuber that. So I was saying I had to stop because there was a lot of noises in the background. So yeah, I began pottery because I was watching a lot of YouTubers that I really liked that are doing pottery, and also for me the best one, Christine McConnell. I don't know if you know her, but she is amazing. So the people I watch that do potteries are Joanna Spither, the YouTuber I drew in the last video. I really like her stuff. I wish I could buy something one day. She does a lot of vases and mugs, stuff like that. There is also Christine, and I think Madeline. I have to check because I'm not sure, but I think she did some stuff. But yeah, I like those YouTubers. And so I was saying also Christine McConnell. Christine McConnell had Netflix show at some point. and she is on Instagram too. She is well known for baking amazing piece of art, very spooky and girly at the same time. She is also a good friend of Dita Vanti's, and she does amazing stuff. If you don't know her, go check her on YouTube. She's amazing. I think she's the best of the best. I love her so much. That's
Cat.
it.
Lady Cat, descends, descends. Thank you. Merci bien. And so it dried. It took like maybe, I think 2 days, and now it's dry. So I will work on it. So that's the result. So I did like a little weird skull, and I put it on her heart, because why not skulls and heart. And I will so work on the applying white gesso on the skull firstly to prepare the pottery. And then I will put some um, gold powder on it. Maybe this one or this one, I'm not sure yet, so we'll see. So let's go. That's the result for the moment. I put the gesso everywhere. I had to wait for it to dry to put some underneath. So underneath there. And then after that, I will try to, I think the word is sand with a paper or something to rub for it to be nice and clean. I'm not an expert, so I made a lot of mistakes. I never took any pottery class. I think you can see that because it's kind of awful. But yeah, I think it's always nice to try new stuff. So pottery for me is just really for fun. So we'll see after that. I will record when I will be trying to clean the edges and stuff like that. like an alien. Maybe I watched too much of the X-Files when I was younger. Not even maybe, I watched too much of the X-Files. Haha. But yeah. Yeah. It's like weird. It's a weird skull. At the end, I decided to put some black dots all around the shape of the heart. I used a black acrylic paint, and the brush I used is a nail art brush that I bought on Amazon too. If I can, I will try to find the link also and put it on the bar below the video. They are not the nicest quality, but it works.